Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Hacks, and on this video I'm gonna guide you how to fix permission denied in Messenger. Suppose if you make a video call on Messenger and a pop-up message says that the permission has been denied and you need to allow all the permission. That how can we solve that problem is simply you need to head into the settings on your device. So once you're on the settings page, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Now tap on the app management at the top of the screen. When all the apps get loaded, tap on the search bar on the top of the screen and you need to type in Messenger. Tap in Messenger now and this will let you get access on the app info page of Messenger. Now tap on the permissions option. So when you scroll down, here you can see under not allowed, no permission denied. That means all the permission has been allowed on the Messenger. Suppose if some of the apps permission has been denied, let me show you. For example, if I have not allowed this app permission on Messenger, then how can we fix this permission denied? Simply you need to tap on the particular app and tap on allow access to media only, and this is how you can easily fix the permission denied in Messenger. And now you can easily use all the apps regarding Messenger app. I hope you got the information well. This is how you can easily fix permission denied. I hope you found this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell of our channel so that you won't miss any videos from our channel. Thank you guys.